let's fold the paper in half. And then unfold the paper. Now, let's start from the top edge, fold both sides of the edge to the center crease. And repeat the same fold for the other side. Now, let's start from this edge, fold down. And then I flip the paper over and I start from both edges, or actually from this edge, from both sides of the edge, and fold both sides to the center crease. And I repeat the same fold for the other side. Next step, I start from this edge, I fold to the center crease. Alright. Not straight to the center crease, but close to the center crease. Make sure that you hold the paper like this. Hold the paper right here and then curve it. And fold a little bit more than the edge. And the distance from here to here is about half an inch. Let me show you. So this is about half an inch. This must be half an inch or longer than half an inch a little bit. And repeat the same fold for the other side. Let's turn the paper this way and we can do the same thing. Make sure that you hold the paper, hold this part of the paper and press down. If it's not even, you can curve it a little bit more so that both sides are even. Alright, so now both sides are even, you can fold the paper in half. And on the following step, I will match this edge to the other edge to create a wing. And repeat the same fold for the other side. And now I can unfold the paper and I'll show you what I'm going to do next. So this is what we have so far. The blank won't fly. That's why I turn the paper over and I'll start from this edge. I fold straight out. Even more, and I repeat the same fold for the other side too. So this is what I have so far, and it's look fine. Perfect. Alright, and here you go. This is the new paper airplane. Let's test it out. I hope it will work well for you. Don't forget to give the video a thumb up, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.